Amazon ads are extremely powerful, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about one of the most important ads that you can do right now called a product targeting ad. By the way, this video is in collaboration with Amazon Ads. I myself an Amazon Ads educator, specifically focused on Amazon in the Middle East, so let's get started. This video is divided into 3 separate sections. We're going to be talking about the importance of ads, the importance of product targeting ads, and then I'm going to show you a hands-on process of how to start your ad, this specific product targeting ad. And by the way, if this is your first time watching a video on this channel, hi, my name is Crystal. I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society. We are a certified Amazon service provider, and we support sellers just like you on Amazon, UAE, KSA, Egypt, as well as Turkey. We have a downloadable PDF. You can scan the QR code right now and download it, or you can just click the link in the description box. The PDF contains more information and more tips and tricks for you to use right now. These tips, of course, are related to PPC ads. Let's get started with part number 1, and let's talk about why Amazon ads work. Well, quite simply, to boil it down into just 2 reasons. First of all, these ads are targeting ready-to-buy customers. Remember, customers that log into Amazon are searching for the product, and then that's where they are seeing your ad. So they are very highly targeted. And additionally, you have full control over the ads, even though the ads are PPC style ads, but you do have control over the budget, the bid, and exactly where the ad appears on Amazon. Now, moving on to part number 2, and that's strategic ad placement. Why is this important? Because targeting specific ASINs, because this video is all about product targeting ads, can be very powerful. Specifically, you can gain visibility and market share, especially if you are launching a new product. Additionally, you can hijack weaker products. So you can identify, and that's what I'm going to show you in part number 3, so keep watching. You can identify competitor products that have poor reviews, maybe higher pricing, maybe even are FBM instead of FBA, and you can literally steal customers from those products and those sellers. You can dominate your niche with product targeting ads. Let's move on to part number 3 and how you create a product targeting ad, and 4 additional tips related to those ads. So where does a product targeting ad actually appear? It literally appears inside of someone's product, hence why it's called product targeting ad. So I'm on Amazon right now, I'm looking at this product. If I were to be a customer, scroll down a little bit lower, I'm gonna find different products, all of which are sponsored, that are targeting this product. Ideally, the products need to be related, like it says here, because they just simply can't be other types of products. If you know how the Amazon ads algorithm works and how the Amazon ads system works, you'll understand why. Here are 3 very important tips. Tip number 1, you need to think like a customer. So you need to think exactly like a customer would. If this is a highly bestseller type of product, like this product as an example has the Amazon Choice badge, it's selling right now at 18 dirhams. So this wouldn't be an ideal product for you to target, because think about it. It's going to be very difficult to convince a customer to not buy this product with 223 reviews and Amazon Choice badge and almost 19 dirhams in price. This is an absolutely wonderful product. It's very difficult to convince people otherwise. So when you are targeting a product, you need to make sure that you think like a customer, meaning will the customer actually be convinced to buy your product, especially if you've just recently launched the product, meaning you have 0 reviews, or not, just so that you don't waste any money. Number 2, choose products that are sometimes more expensive than what you are selling, because of course, you know, customers are highly motivated by price. So if you are targeting products that are slightly more expensive than your product, then people might consider buying your product as an option. Tip number 3, very much similar to tip number 1, try to target products that have less reviews than you. I know this is not always possible, specifically if you are launching your product and you still haven't generated those types of reviews, but refer to tip number 1, think like a customer. Moving on, let's create a product targeting ad. We are in the campaign manager, we click on create campaign. This type of ad, by the way, is open to all levels of sellers, and because it is under the sponsored product ad. Let's click on continue. Now you, of course, just like when you create any campaign, you need to create a group name and you need to create a campaign name. I just want to show you specifically in this tutorial how to create the ad without going into the specifics. You need to select the products, and then we go into manual targeting. You have two options of creating product targeting ads. You can actually click on the product targeting and select targeting the full entire category of your products, or individual products that you have selected. You enter the list of ASINs, or you can search for them by ASINs and add them. You have another option, which is somewhat of a different type of ad, but let me introduce you to this type of ad, and it's a keyword targeting ad. But specifically under the manual campaigns, for this video, we're talking about product targeting. So if you are on the adventurous side, and if you have a bigger ad budget, the idea would be targeting the entire category would be very valuable, because then you can check your ads every single week and just simply eliminate whatever targets are spending money on not generating any sales. Alternatively, you can do your own due diligence, select the ASINs and just add them here and just simply target those ASINs. The third option would be after you launch your auto campaign. Once the auto campaign starts targeting particular ASINs, then you can come and create a product targeting ad with those particular ASINs that you are finding the auto campaign target, as well as get you some sales. Very similar to the other types of campaigns, very similar setup. You want to decide on your bidding strategy, up and down, down only, or fixed bids. You can adjust your bidding placement right here, and then you can add the daily budget for the ad campaign. You click launch campaign, and that's it, you're good to go. Now remember, just like any other ad campaign, you need to make sure that you monitor your ad campaign every single day and make significant changes to the ad campaign every 5 to 7 days. Ads on Amazon are instinctively very easy to create and easy to manage. However, do not approach this idea as a set it and forget it type of system. Thank you so much for watching the video. As always, I'll see you in another video with